So you filed your immigration case, you've been waiting more than a year, and you just received a letter in the mail that says your case is denied because you aren't eligible for the benefit that you're seeking. And unfortunately, this is a mistake that I've seen a lot of couples make where they file an application for a fiance or a spouse visa and they don't meet the eligibility requirements. And immigration will let you file that application, they'll accept it, they'll even take your money. And then if you're not eligible, if you don't meet one of the eligibility requirements, they'll deny your case and you won't get a refund. But more importantly, you will have lost all of that time that you've waited and energy that you've spent in the immigration process only to find you have to start over. I want you to avoid making this mistake in your immigration journey. I've seen couples who filed a fiancé visa case thinking that was the proper path, but they were already legally married. And so they're not eligible for a fiancé visa. Or I've seen couples who filed a spouse visa application thinking that they were legally married, but they missed one of the marriage requirements, and so they don't have a legally binding marriage to form the basis of their spouse visa application. I've seen countless other situations where couples thought that they met all the requirements and they didn't, and they received a denial only to find they were going to have to start the process over and lose all of that time. So I want you to avoid making those mistakes on your immigration journey. It's really important to understand what the eligibility requirements are before you file an application. It's much more than just filling out forms. And if you'd like to learn more about the eligibility requirements for fiancé and spouse visas, I invite you to my free resource center at immigrationforcouples.com, and I'll post a link to the website in the comments. Be sure to subscribe by clicking the link below so you'll be notified of future videos in this series about other mistakes you should avoid on your immigration journey. Thanks for watching.